Hey guys, today's video is going to be about how to become a relevant networker. A relevant networker. And why is that important for you? Well, we have, as networkers, as people who collaborate with others, we have one major problem, and that is human memory. Because if something is not relevant to us, people forget. And if studies shown that we forget about 80% of the information that is given to us as fast as the following day, that means that if you go to a networking event today, and even if you meet 100 people and you give your best presentation about what you do, they're not going to remember. Most of them are not going to remember. And if that's the case, even if they remember, you may not be relevant. And if you're not relevant, game over. There is no referral coming your way, there is no value coming your way, and networking should be an investment. So you should be giving value to people and the value should be coming back to you. How do you ensure that that's going to happen, and how do you do it the easiest possible way? I suggest switch completely 180 degrees. What people tell you is wrong. People tell you, focus on your elevator pitch, polish it, make sure everybody knows what you do, how you do it, all that stuff, and do it within, one sentence, 2 sentences. If you're not relevant, it doesn't matter what you told them because they're not gonna remember. So here's what you do. Reverse 180 degrees. You can have your elevator pitch and you can say it as long as you want and as much as you want. But here is the thing that you do. You listen and you find out what the person that you talk to actually needs. And you ask yourself one question. What can I do to give it to them and to give it to them fast? Do they need referrals? How can I help them? Do they need connections? How can I help them? What can I do to give them value? And what can I do to do it fast? Try to do it even in the meeting. So while you're meeting with them, if there is a connection you're thinking about, do it. Connect them with somebody. Give them value. Give them advice. Give them a referral. This means a lot. It's much easier than focusing on your best presentation because you're not focusing on yourself. You're focusing on listening to what the other person has to say and what is it that they actually need. Once you know this is the key to give them value. If you give them value and you give people value enough times and you do it with style, you do it with passion, you do it genuinely, what's going to happen is that out of 100 people that they talk to, if you gave them a referral or valuable information, you become relevant. If you're relevant, even if they forgot about you, but you call them the second day after the meeting and you give them value, you give them a referral, connection, whatever they need, you give them business, what's going to happen is even if they forgot about you, they're going to research you. They're going to find out who you are, what you do, and how they can give you back. That's going to happen in the long scheme of things. So not everybody's going to do it, and please don't expect that. And don't blame people for forgetting about you, even if you had the best conversation with somebody. It's human nature. But what we should be doing as networkers who truly care, we should be focusing on giving value. We should be focusing on listening to the other side instead of focusing what to say next. We should be focusing on doing things that matter to other people, not doing things that matter to us. And when we do it enough times, when we do it with style, when we do it effectively, great things will happen. This is the power of networking. This is the power of collaboration. Even if nothing happens, you made a good deed, you did something great, you helped somebody, you sent positive energy to the universe by sending business to somebody, and it may come to you from another angle, maybe another time, or maybe not at all, but it doesn't matter because you did the right thing. Instead, people focus on doing what's good for them. They polish their elevator pitch. They try to present the best self. Then they are, in most cases, forgotten. People don't remember about you. They lose your business card. They lose your the memory about the event. Sometimes they don't even remember your face. And why is that? Is because you're not relevant. So be a relevant networker. help others, do it with style, and do it because it's the right thing to do.